Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and before we get started I would just like to thank the traditional owners of the land on which we're gathering today, all the different lands we're on, and I would like to pay my respects to elders past, present and emerging, and extend that respect to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. Hi, I'm Sarah. If you're new here, hi, welcome, and if you are returning, hey, welcome. There's no difference. I don't know why I separate them, but if anyone who isn't subscribed could subscribe, that would be fantastic. And yes, I think I might be sunburnt or potentially having an allergic reaction to the bath bomb I used this morning. I think it might be the bath bomb because I did go for a bike ride this morning, but I put sunscreen on. It doesn't look this bad in real life. In the camera it looks real bad. Anyway, like this video, subscribe to my channel, all that kind of stuff. Anyway, this is late. I'm sorry. I have just been busy and tired and haven't had energy to do anything after my COVID vaccine. I was just exhausted for weeks, so that was super fun. The doctor said I just sound really unlucky, so, but totally worth it. If you can, get vaccinated, because, you know, we're all in this together. We're all in this together. Anyway, I have a BELLABOX. This is the August BELLABOX. And I've had it for a while and I haven't opened it because I wanted to film it, but I haven't had the energy to film. So anyway, I'm talking in circles. Let's just get into it. Let's not waste any time. So I think because I was too lazy to film this video in August, I mean, it's the 29th of August right now, but the next weekend where I'll upload is in September. So you're not going to be able to get this box, unfortunately. Oh no. But you'll be able to get September's box. I have not seen what the sneak peek is yet for September. Now they start whippersnipping. I hope it's not too loud. I've got all my doors and windows open. It's a bit spicy in here. The classic black tissue paper. Okay, we have 2 makeup products and then 3 other things. This is a weird box, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna start with this because I like, what? This is something you drink, I think. Peach flavor oral shots. This is Collagenix Beauty Shot for good skin, hair and nails. My nails are so weak. They just bend. Can you see that? Probably not, but they're so bendy, it's really bad. Just in case you're wondering, this food is not the sole source of nutrition and should be consumed in conjunction with a nutritious diet. It's kind of sad they had to put that on there. So, discover the secret to beautiful skin with Collagenix Beauty Shot. I'm gonna close the door. Sorry, the lighting's not gonna be as good now. Delicious peach drink. So this is 50 mils, and you can buy 10 50 ml shots at Chemist Warehouse for $50. Alright, so this is $5. Hey, I can get a 10-cent refund for this at our bottle return place. Drink 1 shot a day. I highly doubt that one of these is going to do anything. But, you know what? Let's give it a go. Oh, that does not smell good. It kind of smells like peach liqueur, but without the alcohol. And like, Hydrolite. That's it. Tastes better than it smells. It's very sweet. Wow. It's very tart. Very, 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 very tart. Cool. Delicious. Cool. That's from Neuropathica. This Naturopathica. I can read English words. Don't worry. Well, I will slowly drink that deliciousness. Oh. Let's go next. Wet wipes. These are for your hands, these ones. Hand and body wipes. And do not flush these in the toilet, team. It smells better than the drink. that is kind of cool. It's a nice little packet and will fit in my backpack or my handbag. Usually my backpack, because all I ever go is to work. It's the only place I go. So this is a full-size pack of 15, and it goes for a whopping $2 at Chemist Warehouse and Priceline. $2. Not bad. It's weird. It's got that like gross taste of medicine, but then like a nice peachy aftertaste and before taste, and it just kind of, it's uncomfortable. It makes me very uncomfortable. Right, hair stuff now. Cell Microstem Hair Stimulation Formula. Oh, my lights are way too bright, my bad. Cell develops hair regimes curated by health experts to support you in achieving your hair goals. The hair growth stimulation formula is a powerful, concentrated, oil-based blend of plant extracts, including asparagus stem cells, encourages new hair growth, and fights hair loss. I just descended into Moira Rose accent just then. So I guess it's for hair growth if you've got like, if you're, I guess, not growing hair. If you've got like thin patchy hair. My hair is fine. I don't really need this. Geez, she's expensive. Far out. This is 15 mils. 4 of these cost $145. No. That's not okay. That is not okay. This is $36.25. I'm assuming this is more than one application, that you get a few out of this, but it feels pretty watery. So maybe you wouldn't. Can you hear that? Yum. A little bit of ASMR. I don't even know what to do with this, because I don't need it, so it seems like a waste to use such a ridiculously expensive product. Before we move on to the makeup products, we have a bonus product. The Plunkett's Vita E Quick Dry Oil. Ooh. This is very tiny little baby. It's rosehip and mandarin oil with vitamin E for scars, stretch marks, and damaged skin. It's high potency. I kind of want to put it on my face. My poor skin. I already have bio oil all over my stomach right now. I'll use it another time. Or should I just use it now? I want to open it, so I'm going to use it. Ah. It smells really good. It smells like mandarins. I'm not sure if I should put a citrus acid on my face or not. I mean, it's oil. It's a quick dry oil, so I should probably just hurry up, right? Oh, a little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna need to wash my hands. I'm gonna put it on my elbows. This is where I should have started. My poor elbows. So dry. Disgusting. Okay, well, is it dry? Why isn't it dry yet? It's over. I don't feel like I look that oily anymore. I do in the camera, but not so much in like a normal lighting. But it's all over me. Whenever I touch it, I get it all over me again. It's so thick. It's not thick, it's very thin. It's just, it won't absorb, I guess. Which is weird. Anyway, let's look at what we got. All right, we have the full-size product, the Carmex Moisture Plus Hydrating Lip Tint. It's basically just a lip balm with tint in it, which sounds amazing. A mirror. chuck it on, hey? Let's see how it goes. Let me try and sit in the middle of this shot, hey? So, shea butter, buckthorn butter, vitamin B3 and menthol to promote moisture for smooth, plump and hydrated lips. They certainly look very pink, don't they? This goes for $8.99 at pretty much all the pharmacies. Okay. I look like I have swollen, sunburned lips right now. Lovely. It works, I guess. Let's see how it holds up. I'll leave it on for a while, eh? And last but not least, this month's, like, you know, product that they advertise is the Inmo Velvet Cheek Cream for a naturally flushed look. You can use it on your lips as well. Here's what the box looks like. It is very cute. That's its little container. It's just a little tiny baby one, but this is full size. I don't know if you're gonna really, how much this is gonna show up, you know, because of the redness everywhere all over my skin. But I don't really feel like putting makeup on right now, just to test a blush. So, ooh, it does feel like velvet. It's a cream, but it looked like a powder when I opened it. So that's what it kind of comes out on the finger like. And that's the swatch. I think they've stopped whippersnipping now. Ah, that's much better lighting. I can see what I'm doing now. Isn't that great? Okay. I'm gonna just do it on one side so you can see the difference between my, you know, stuff and things. The stuff and things. Have you heard of them? There's all over on my nose. They say to put it on your nose. Why not? Let's look even more sunburned, hey? Let's look like we're getting skin cancer. Kids, wear sunscreen. I've been sunburned twice in the past couple of weeks. And I was not sunburned when I woke up because my lovely Italian heritage ensures that my sunburn disappears very quickly. So I think this is definitely a reaction. You can see the difference. I've over applied it just to try and so you could see it. This isn't normally where I would apply my blush. Right up here for some reason, Sarah. But it's a really nice colour and it's a very nice feeling, and I will test it out when I wear like full face of makeup next. I'll use a cream blush. Why not? I need to even it up. I need to put it on the other side. It's quite pigmented. Even on top of my sunburn. A little goes a long way. So sun-kissed. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's an allergic reaction. Oh, and that's $25. And it just doesn't look like it's available in store. It looks like it's on their website. You can get it. Oh, I need more gas in my chair. Okay. Well, God, my face is so oily. I couldn't put makeup on right now, even if I wanted to. I would look insane. It would just slide off my face. Turn down my ring light now that I've got more lighting. There's a plane. Okay, so how much did everything cost? $77.25 worth of products today. And even if we, you know, didn't have that ridiculously expensive hair product, we would still have over $40 worth of product. Considering this box cost $20, that's pretty good. So again, good value. This box is always, stop recording. So this box is always good value. It's stuff I would never buy, but I found some really cool stuff in there, some really weird stuff in there. It's just fun to open it up and get like presents that you've bought for yourself, but you don't know what they are. So it's like you're getting a surprise gift, even though you paid for it. So, BELLABOX, always a pleasure. Sorry that it's late so that you can't buy this one, but you can buy the next one and every single one after that because it's a good time. So thank you for watching my video today if you made it all the way to the end. If you liked it and you haven't already, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Please also check out my Instagram. I've been a bit quiet on there lately, again because of the tiredness from the vaccine. But otherwise, this was great. I'm just gonna go. I'm not even making sense anymore. I'm all over the shop. I'm gonna go. You're all amazing. I love you all. Bye.